Alright, hey YouTube, this is Dragons1347. Got some brand new Hidden Arsenal Blister pack. Oops. Let me open it. You gotta be kidding me. Jesus Christ. Alright, finally. Get off me, you stupid dog. Okay. Now that I've made a thorough mess, I can open my packs. Oh my god. Alright, first pack. Five versus getting raped by his own dog over here.
It hurts.
Finally.
Stupid dog. And the first pack is
Synchro, Flamevell, yeah, whatever.
That's a bummer.
Flamevell Magician, nice. Worm cards are for trade, I don't really care about them. Flamevells and Ally of Justices I really want though. Not bad, Synchro in my first pack. Let's see. Oh, great.
I just got that again.
Evolution Bursts for trade. I don't even have Cyber Dragon. Let's see. Worm Think... whatever. Flamevell Guard, I want to keep that. X-Saber, I was going to trade somebody else for that. Detonate, I want that for collection purposes. Next pack.
Detonate.
I want Ryanak really badly. Oh, let me guess. Miss Valley Shaman.
The same card that I had.
Okay, Miss Valley Shaman. What a surprise. Worm Barces, X-Saber. Blizzard Warrior, nice. Okay, another worm card. I don't care about that one.
Worms suck.
Wait. This X-Saber I'm setting aside for another dude. Yeah, okay, I can see that. Fiber first. Go away. Go. Oh my god. Go get raped by your dog again. Like you are doing right now. Oh my god. Ally of Justice Canister.
No.
Yes. Ow. Yes. Although I really want it. Flamevell Dragunov Sniper Rifle. Oh my god, another worm. Flamevell for trade because I already got one.
Holy crap, canister in that.
Two synchros. Wait. Epic for the win. Wait, what are you doing?
Checking
no
my
face. Oh, I thought you were gonna fill my face.
Ew, you're gay.
I got two synchros and one blister.
Oh my
That's
god,
awesome.
canister. Wow, that's awesome.
I know.